Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're like me, keeping track of your investments can feel overwhelming with all the apps and spreadsheets out there. But today, we're making it simple and straightforward with Mint, the popular personal finance app from Intuit. In this video, I'll walk you through how to track your investments in Mint step by step, so you can stay on top of your portfolio without the stress. First things first, if you haven't already, download the Mint app or head to the website and create an account. It's free and super easy. Just enter your email, set up a password, and verify your details. Once you're in, the real magic begins. Start by linking your financial accounts. Mint connects securely to your bank, credit cards, and yes, your investment accounts like brokerage firms or retirement funds. Just go to the Accounts section, click Add Accounts, and follow the prompts to enter your login info for each one. Mint uses bank-level security, so your data is safe. Now that your accounts are linked, let's dive into tracking your investments. Head over to the Investments tab, where you'll see a clear overview of your portfolio. You'll find details like current balances, recent transactions, and even performance metrics such as gains or losses. Mint automatically categorizes your investments, whether it's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, making it easy to spot trends at a glance. To make things even better, customize your dashboard. Set up alerts for when your investments hit certain thresholds, like a big drop in value, or track your net worth over time. This way, you can make informed decisions quickly. Remember, Mint also integrates with your overall budget, so you can see how your investments fit into your bigger financial picture. In conclusion, using Mint to track investments is a game changer for anyone wanting to simplify their finances. It saves time, reduces errors, and helps you build towards your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try today, and let me know in the comments how it's working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.